Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock loadouts in Warzone 3. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we can unlock custom loadouts as well as the best method to being able to unlock it. So let's jump into it. So I've loaded into Warzone here. If we go to the top and click weapons, we can see that we can't actually unlock custom loadouts until we are level 4. So what actually is the fastest way to get level 4? The way I would recommend is to actually launch into a game and just queue for a match in any game mode. From there, just want to loot up quickly and try and secure a few kills that you can earn some points. From there, I'd recommend that you activate various contracts available throughout the map. And if you do actually complete them, they help you earn additional XP. From there, if your squad's eliminated, and repeat the process, just want to basically carry on doing this until your account level reaches level 4. And then we can head back over to weapons. And then from there, we can create whatever loadouts we want. And then we'll be able to play our games with our own custom weapons. Additionally, before you start the game, you can actually head over here and click this. And if you have any rank tokens, I would recommend you use this because this will mean that you will get XP a bit faster. So if you play a few games using this method I just mentioned, as well as having some of these tokens, you will actually level up in no time. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.